Company building the 148 for John in New York. John, this is your 148. Already got the adapters mounted. Got all the primary changes done to the radio. There's the new Schottky diodes, 2122 right there. And D1, D2 right there. Okay. Got the high performance transistor already installed. That's that little guy right there. All right. Got the wiring connected for the echo board. That's the echo board right there. Now right now I've just got it setting up here. It's going to be flipped over once I get everything set, but I've got to set the these two pots right here once I get everything back in the radio. The deluxe clarifier's already been done. The crystal's been changed for the low range. Let's see, what else have I got done? I've got pretty much everything internally done to the radio. Got the broadbanding done. Now I'm constructing the LC5304, and we'll be installing the RFX150 onto the back of this guy. Once we get that done, retuning it up, getting it all set up, and shipping it out. Will probably go out in a day or so. Okay, I've already got the display changed out. Got the new 3-digit blue display mounted, and I don't have the LED in place yet, the transmit receive LED, and the reason for that is I don't know which side is red and which side is blue. So once I power the radio back up, then I will install that guy and see which side is which and which way to mount him. There's the piggyback board with the connector all set up. I really like these new Cobras, the ones that are made by KEPC. They are as good as the Philippine-made Grant XLs and LTs, in my opinion. They tune up and work perfectly. I really like them. They're about the best 148 that Cobra has come out with since they had Uniden build them. There was a stretch there that they had another company, a couple of more companies building them for them, and in my opinion they were not that great. Now I did make some changes. I got rid of a bunch of things. That little board that regulates the power is unnecessary. It was for the sound tracker radios, where that originally came from. I guess they must have a whole bunch of them left over, so they decided to use them. That's the first thing I take out when I get it. And this control right here is going to be your variable talkback. Now, I need to know, I guess I'll send you an email about that. We can also make that variable power, but that's only for AM. So I'll send you an email about that, and we'll decide if you want that to be variable talkback or if you want it to be variable power. Okay? But we are making progress. Okay, John, pretty much got it finished. Amplifier is all mounted, and getting ready to test it out and get some wattage readings here. I'm on the 100-watt scale, which is that bottom scale there. I'm in lower sideband. Audio, oh crap, audio test. Let's see. Let me switch. It's over 100 watts. Let me switch to the 500-watt scale. Audio, that's that bottom scale there. Damn, that's about 160 watts coming out of this radio. Audio. Audio, hello, audio. 500 watt scale is the scale in the middle. Audio test audio. Audio, hello, about 160 watts. About 160 watts. Now, I am using a Pyramid PS36KX. It's a 35 amp power supply. And you're going to need something like that because these FET amplifiers draw a lot of current. In fact, I was watching it peak the 30 amp thing when it was hitting 160 watts there. Alright, let's see what it does on AM now. I'm going to switch to AM. Okay, we're dead keying about 20 watts. Audio, hello, audio, hello. And about 120, 130 watts. Still on the 500 watt scale. 20, 30, 40. It's dead keying about 40 watts with the amp on. And running about 120, almost 130 watts on AM on peak. That's peak power. God, I can't get over how much power we're getting out of this thing on lower sideband. Let me switch to, you know what? Audio, audio, hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 audio. Switch to upper sideband, see what we're getting. Audio test audio, audio, hello, about 160 watts, 150, 160 watts. Audio test audio, clicking. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's pretty damn good for a Cobra 148. I gotta tell you that right now. But that amp is getting really warm. I may want to back it down a little bit to about 100 watts. I'll send you an email and ask you. Audio, that's on the 100 watt scale. Look at it bounce that meter over there. Alright, let's see, that was on channel 50. Let me run it up to the top end. This is on 975. Audio, hello audio. Alright, looks like I need to do some tuning. A little over 100 watts audio right there. Let's wrap it back around to the bottom. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 audio test 1, 2, 1, 2 audio test. Okay, we're still hitting 100. So I need to balance it out a little better. I balanced it out just using the radio earlier. Now that I got the amplifier on there, of course it amplifies the results. So I need to hand it out, and that peak will probably come down a little bit. That 160 watts will probably come down to maybe about 120, 130 all the way across. But I'll check it out again. But for all, I will be putting the covers on it, buttoning it up, and getting it out to you. Alright, John, thanks a lot for the business. Hope you enjoy the radio. It occurred to me that I did not get a shot of the front of it. You might like to see it. There it is. All I got is just a power cord hooked up to it. Oh, and something I need to tell you about the power cord. Both the radio and the amp have to be supplied from the same source. So I have soldered those two together. So just make sure that you put it into a, hook it to a source that's got plenty of amperage. Okay. There it is. I don't have an antenna hooked to it, so I'm not going to key it up. All right. Again, thanks for the business.